Hey, side hustlers! Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Sick of missing out on family moments and special events just to make ends meet? Imagine instead making money online and gaining true time freedom. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it isn't. The internet and social media have unlocked countless opportunities for generating income. Why trade your precious time for a paycheck when you can build multiple income streams online? Working 40, 50, even 60 hours a week, it's madness. All that sacrifice for an employer who, let's be honest, will replace you in a heartbeat. Think your employer cares about you? Think again. When push comes to shove, your job security is an illusion. And if you lose your job, how will you keep up with expenses? Living on savings, resetting your retirement plans. It's a vicious cycle designed to keep you trapped. If you're struggling financially in 2024, it's because you're still stuck in that outdated job model. The good news, there are so many ways to make money online and finally achieve financial and time freedom. I've got a free course that'll teach you everything from digital marketing to affiliate marketing, branding, and more. It's a complete business in a box, complete with a pre-built sales funnel, email automation, and a website. No tech skills required, just follow the step-by-step training. And here's the best part. You'll get up to 4 digital products to plug into the training, giving you real-world marketing experience right away. Start with just 1 digital product for $100 or get all 4 for $900 with options to spread payments over 12 months. Whether you're looking for a rewarding side hustle, a new career, or just a way to pad your retirement funds, this free course is your answer. It includes online training, Zoom tech support, mentoring, and coaching. Take control of your life. Stop hoping things will change. Hope is not a plan. This is. Drop more info in the comments and I'll send you the details on this free course. Let's make your dream of time freedom a reality.